Look at the smiler. The smiler. All in action. Wow, smiler. Yeah. You're going to go in a second. Look at this. Wow. Little people. Little people. Little people. Dragon's got us. Help. Help. Dragon's got us. Little people. Monsters. Monsters were down here and they've gone. Wow, look at these towers and stuff.
They were in the windows and they were scaring me.
Oh, they were in the windows and they're scared, yeah? Horrible monsters. I think I remember seeing them.
Because you were with them.
I was with you, yeah? Wow. Ba-ba-ba-da-da-da-dee.
Now there's somewhere
Da-da-da-dee.
downstairs.
There is, isn't there? Ba-ba-ba, ba-ba-ba-ba. Da-da-da-dee. You can see X over there. Heidi! Heidi! I see, I've heard you. Yeah. No. We'll find out in a second. We've got to go back down that way because that's the way we came. Take your time. Spooky. Ooh. 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 Ah. Was that actually me? Spooking up out. It's a bit spooky down here, isn't it? Scary, 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 yeah. What amount of magic there, huh? Ooh. Let's have a spin round in here. And fireplaces. Ooh. 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 No, not a lot. Whoa, here we go again. It's dark down here. Whoa. I'm lost. Oh, scary. Yeah? I don't know. Probably. It looks like a monster's kicked a piece of glass out of a place, eh? Wee. Oh wow, look at it in here again. I was where I should be. Yeah.
I'm here.
You're where?
Yeah.
I can't see you.
I'm here.
Oh, we came from that way, didn't we?
Hello.
Ah! Scary little lad. I know. Great enjoyment. Ooh. Hey! That's to the X, is that, I think? No entry, yeah. It's down to X. So these are the gardens. The lady shoots gardens. It's a bit different, isn't it, seeing this bit of a gardens? Towers have opened, if you didn't know. Yeah. It's one of the few times a year you can go up. Yes. Hardy, get out of the way of a photo. I'm going down this way after exploring the towers. Or we can do. Yay!